Hello and welcome to this video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually add a logo to your website. So whether you want to add it to the top section, the footer, I'm going to walk you through that entire process right now. So first of all, let's go to sections. Let's go and select navigation bar. Okay, once you come to navigation bar, you can see it is now highlighted by the green border. Okay, and what I want to do, I want to go to module settings. So once I select that, you can see it's open up the settings and the menu builder for the navigation bar. Now I've got a couple of choices. I can actually make adjustments to this particular page in terms of the menu bar, but first of all, I want to draw your attention to two fields. We've got the logo button here, and we also have logo text. Now in terms of the text, I don't want the text there, I just want to add a logo. So what I want to do, let's go ahead and select logo. Now it's asking me for the source. So in order for the source, if you have your own URL, yes, you can enter it, or you have two particular icons. One, you can upload your own logo, or you can use the Vault and the library. Okay, so if you've got any preset logos, yes, once you've uploaded it, it will show populated in my uploads. You can also use search media, or you can use the AI generator, whether it's the basic or advanced generator, to create your own logo, and it will simply create it in this section and you can upload it. But for this particular page, this website, I want to select one preset logo I have already, select OK, and you can see now I've actually got the function of adding it, and it's already ticked on the circle. So if I come back now, you can see it's not showing correctly because it's using it as a circle. So bearing in mind, if you do have a logo, then that's something you can actually add that circle effect onto the image. So I'm just going to keep it simple, come back to OK, and there we have the image. The logo is now showing correctly. Alongside that, yes, you have your menu also that you can edit. So if you built out this menu, you would see the logo will actually move out just to incorporate and make sure everything fits in this particular container. Okay. However, let's just say, for example, that you don't want the container to be there. So what would you do? So I would simply come to the menu builder, and I can actually delete all the elements. Okay, like so. And it would show like this. So you can see now there's nothing showing, it's just a clean logo there. However, the alignment is off. So in order to change the alignment, I've got a couple of options. All I would simply do is come to the container width. I can actually move it more to the left if I so desired. So let's put it as there. And you can see now it's come to the left. So imagine you have the menu there. Yes, you can make the adjustment and it will look nice and clean. As you would sometimes typically see on a website, the logo is more to the left. However, if I go the opposite way, so you can see this is about 1800. If I went the opposite way, let's just say 350, it should ideally come centered. And again, you can play around with the settings just to make sure you can get the best possible alignment there. So if I go settings now, look at the live preview. Can you see how that looks with that logo on that section there? And that's locked in. So you can play around with the settings, how you want it to appear. Maybe you want it just to be transparent. And you can see as I scroll down. So that's how you would add a logo. Remember, yes, you can actually add elements into this. Let's just say we've got home. Let's go ahead and select add, how it would look. You can see now I've got it there, right? So if I come back to the settings here, let's just go back to the default number was about 900, but I'm going to put 1000. And you can see now everything's moved across. So that's how it's designed, and you can actually build out that menu, or you can just have it centered. You can play around with those settings and add the logo. And let me go ahead, let's remove that. And then we could just come back to normal setting of centered logo if I want. Okay, now let's go and add a logo to the bottom section of the website, so the footer. So how would I do that? So we've got a couple of ways. We can actually come to the sections block here, and you'll see under all categories you will have something called footer. So we actually got some designated nice section designs that you can actually go ahead and use already set for you. So it makes life a lot easier. Or alternatively, yes, you can drag your own images from the content blocks and then you replace it with your logo. So in terms of this, let's just say I've got this right here where it says company name, or if I want to add the logo in the center, it's completely up to me how I want to do this. But with this, it's nice, and it is nice and contained. Let's say if I come here now, if I click here, right, can you see that? A little box has appeared. And it's got a little add sign here. So I simply go to add. I can select where's image, And there we go. This has now been popped up, this little image here. So I want to change this image. I go to change image, like so. I add my logo, and just like that, now that logo has been added. So I can delete this text. I don't need it. However, you may be thinking, I can't really see the logo. So in order to do that, I'll just simply come to the background color. Let's make it black. And now you can see I can change also the text color of all of that so you can see everything. So that's one way you can actually add the logo right there. And yes, I can change things around if I want. If I don't want that logo there, I can simply come along and let's go ahead. And, you know, you do have the option, if you don't want that, you can delete it here. If you want to keep things a little bit more clean, there's no issues with actually removing all the elements. And I'll explain in just a while. So I could come to now this one. I add an image like so. Let's go ahead and use that logo right there. I get rid of everything else. And just like that, you can see it's nice and centered. I've got a nice image right there. So it's up to you. I just want to show you, you know, different alignments, different placements that you can actually add. And check that out. You are now ready to go. You've got a beautiful footer, and also with the header, you have that logo at center at the bottom and at the top. So with the top, just to recap, yes, you can add the menu. Also with the logo, you can make the adjustments. For this purposes, I just want to show you how you can move it to the alignment to the left. And if you want to have the menu, you can. But if it's set as standard, then yes, what will happen? It will move across itself automatically. Okay, that's key. It will move automatically, and you'll be also able to, you know, fine tune and make those tweaks if you so desire. Okay, so hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and go ahead and add your logos.